I'll just go ahead and set this over here out of the way. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this thing over, pull this cover off, and I'm going to take the 4.5, and there's 6 screws here. One here, here, and here. Here, here, and here. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to carefully flip this over. Some of these screws will fall out, some of them will not. Yeah, so just carefully watch where the screws go. Oh, there goes 2 screws and 1 foot. See, the foot comes off of this. This one's also just there. You take the top half and pull it off, just straight off. Just like that. This piece right here and this piece right here. So we're going to take these 2 screws out and this screw out first. So we'll take our number 2 Phillips. Alright, one precision screwdriver, and pick up on this. You just pull straight out, just like that. Set it off to the side, don't want to lose that. Then we take our number 2 Phillips and remove this screw as well. Alright. Alright, once you have that, this yet again just pulls off, just like that. Next, we're going to take this entire piece off right here. So, what we'll have to do is take our number 2 Phillips and remove this screw and this screw right here. Alright, I will put these 2 screws over here. Next, you'll need your number 1 Phillips for these 2 screws right here on each side of the port for the memory expansion pack. Then you just pick up on this evenly. I usually start at this corner. There we are. Comes off just like that. Alright, next we're going to take this piece off. This whole piece right here. We're going to remove all 10 of these screws right here. Alright. Alright. Next, we're going to remove this piece. And to do so, we're going to remove these 7 screws right here. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, now we lift this part off like so. Now, we're not quite ready to pull this out yet. If you notice, we still have these 4 screws right here. So, using our number 2 screwdriver, we're going to pull those last 4 screws out. This piece comes out and forward. This just goes over the video plug. These have to come up straight and this has to come up straight. There we are. Now we can flip this over this is actually just kind of snugly holding on right here. We're going to pull that out. There we are. Set this piece off to the side. Put this back over. All right.